Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove Google Authenticator from Binance. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Google Authenticator app on your mobile device and log into your account. This app is where all your two-factor authentication codes are stored, including the one for Binance that you're about to remove. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see your main Google Authenticator screen displaying all the accounts you've linked for two-factor authentication. Look through the list and locate the Binance Authenticator entry. This is typically labeled with the Binance name or logo, making it easy to identify among your other accounts. Now here's where you'll perform the removal action. Swipe the Binance codes to the left. As you swipe, you'll notice a trash bin icon appearing on the right side of the entry. Keep swiping until this icon is fully visible. This trash bin icon is your key to removing the account from your Authenticator app. Continue swiping until a prompt window appears on your screen. This is an important confirmation step that Google Authenticator uses to prevent accidental deletions. The confirmation window will clearly state that you will no longer receive verification codes for Binance once you proceed with the removal. This is a security measure to ensure you understand what you're about to do, as removing this authenticator means you won't be able to use it for logging into your Binance account anymore. After reading the warning message, tap on Remove Account to proceed with removing Binance from your Google Authenticator. Once you tap this button, the Binance entry will be permanently deleted from your Authenticator app, and you'll no longer see the 6-digit codes generated for Binance authentication. And that's it. You've successfully removed Google Authenticator from Binance, and the account will no longer appear in your Authenticator app. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.